Hey man, how you doing? In this video I'm gonna go into the live markets and live trade. It is currently 9:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, so I gotta be fast because the session just opened. But essentially what I do, I live trade, and I'll show you exactly how to do it so that you can do it as well, okay? And you know, make sure to relax, learn, and enjoy. All right, let's go. All right, so let's get this started. So session opened around 5 minutes ago. We gotta do this fast. We just got nice closure above this 15 minutes. Took out this 15-minute high. I'm gonna mark that out. These are, by the way, liquidities, but we're close above this one, which is pretty cool. Also tapped into this 15-minute order block. We have this 15-minute high. I'm gonna mark out this 30-minute one, this 15-minute one, and this 15-minute low, and also this. I think this might be a 1 hour low. Yeah, 1 hour low. All right, and now this is actually looking pretty cool as a uptrend, and we're currently in this 1 minute order block. Let's see if that, I mean, we actually did tap into that before, so no worries. And 5 minutes is looking clean. 5 minutes is looking extremely clean. I'm most likely wanting to, mainly want to look for buys right now because this is looking pretty damn clean as a uptrend, because considering that we broke above in the 15-minute above this, and we have this very strong trend here, and we just broke above. I'm gonna follow the trend. I just bought the markets on Nasdaq. I'm looking for the price to go up. We got this nice trend right here going on. I'm gonna target. Yikes, bro! The risk ratio isn't too good. The risk ratio could be better, most definitely. But we can work with this one regardless. Just took out some more highs. We're about to take some more highs. There we go. Could I target 122.122? All right. So this is a situation where we just took out 15 highs. I don't really care about that one, but I do kind of care about this one right here. But this is a very strong trend, though. I'm not the biggest fan of partials, but I might take one partial today, since this is a pretty decent high right there. Or depends. I'm going to take a partial, but I'm going to target all the way up here then. Okay, if we tap into this one, I'm going to take a partial. If not, then okay. But 1 to 3 plus a mini partial. I'm not going to take a lot just to kind of even it out, considering that the risk ratio would be kind of assy if I wouldn't. And I'm also going to move the stops to break even. All right. So fuck. All right. So I closed a little bit off of the trade, just a little bit, nothing crazy. And then I'm going to move the stops to break even if we do. Like, I don't trade like this usually. I'm not the biggest fan of stops to break evens and partials, but this is just a, in your trading, you have to understand we can always adjust things. But yeah, I'm not the biggest fan. But yeah, I just secured just a little bit. Bah! 12-0 winning streak. That's what we do, boys. That's what we do. Let me show you the P&L real quick. 4.8 thousand. Okay, I'm not sure. That might be the biggest day, I think. Or I'm not really sure. Probably. I think it was 4 something I made the other week. Regardless, damn, that was a clean trade just by following the trend. And as you guys saw, I took a small partial around here, but it was small enough to not what is that word? Freaking hurt my overall profit, because a lot of these people just take a huge partial in the beginning and then their overall profit deteriorates and it gets shit. But that's why I also increased the return ratio. Bam, man. But how did I do this? That's a clean trade, okay? That's around 1 to 3 RR multiple, right? But If you go to the 15-minute time frame, we saw this nice closure above this 15-minute time frame, right? And we took out this high, but no reaction, right? We took out this fair value, no reaction. This order block, no reaction, right? Which is continue this cycle, what? Trend cycle. All the way up from here. Higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, etc., etc. Session opens, we took out the 15-minute highs, we closed above it, took out the new 15-minute highs, and didn't react, which is continuous cycle. Higher highs, higher lows, high, and closure above the most recent high. That's my entry, and I follow the trend like that. And this is what I mean, guys. You don't need to always see that reversal. You don't need to always see that freaking market share shift. Okay, if you see that, that's nice, amazing. Okay, but if you don't see that, just follow the trend. Okay, 12-0 winning streak. I think that's my biggest winning streak ever, probably. I mean, I've gotten close, but this is just aftermath of just focusing and only focusing on the A plus S tier setups, okay? Regardless, hope you like this one. Make sure to like and subscribe. And if you want to see more of this, make sure to comment them down below, all right? Thanks for watching. Peace out.